Why'd you do that? And you're smiling about it. That's not funny. Look at you. You look a mess. Look at that. Huh. Grandma ain't here. She go clean it up. What does that mean? That was good chocolate? Is that what that meant? Well, that was a no-no. You just as happy as you can be. Oh, you nasty little baby. You nasty little baby. Look. You all messy. What's so funny? What's so funny? Don't get that on me. I don't want no chocolate. I don't want no chocolate, baby. Don't get that on me. All right, Mikey, it's time to get cleaned up. It's time to get cleaned up. Ew. That's so nasty. That's not funny. Ew.